The CTS USPTO Scrape tool is a free tool that is provided in addition to CTS. Users may utilize this tool at their discretion. However, please keep in mind that CTS has no control over the USPTO, and when they make changes to their security protocol, this could cause the Sync tool to go down for long periods of time. How to download and set the Scrape tool. Download the new version from the link that we sent to you in an email. Unzip the downloaded FlexTrac IP USPTO Sync zip file. Double-click on the MSI file to begin installation of FlexTrac IP USPTO Sync. Follow the installation wizard and install the FlexTrac USPTO Sync tool on your computer. Run the USPTO Scrape tool. Select the type of database, Access or SQL. Navigate to your database and select the database file. Click Open. Select the box, Trademarks Only. Click OK. Click Save. Click Start Scraping. A black window will open and will start the process for the scrape. You may minimize that window. At this point, you will scrape data for U.S. trademark cases only. Once the information is scraped, open FlexTrac CTS and navigate to Nexus USPTO Changes. A user must accept, reject, or permanently reject the information. If accepted, case will be updated with the information. If you reject the information, it will be scraped again the next time the tool scrapes information. Permanently rejecting the information will notify the tool to never scrape that piece of information for that case again. To scrape data for U.S. patent cases, you need to create an Outlook email account. You will use this account only for the FlexTrac CTS USPTO Scrape tool. Create a USPTO private pair using the Outlook email address. Sponsor the new private pair account. Once the accounts are created and set, in the CTS Scrape tool, you need to uncheck the box, Trademarks Only, and enter the Outlook email and password, and the private pair account, same Outlook email address, and the password for the private pair account. Click Save. Click Start Scraping. Open FlexTrac CTS and navigate to Nexus USPTO Changes.